Welcome back. Crunch Bros.
It's a CrunchTube.
CrunchTube.
What are we doing today, Jordan?
I'm gonna go buy dinner from Trader Joe's, and then whatever I pick, we're gonna buy.
Nice. All right, so like Jordan said, whatever he ends up picking at Trader Joe's, we're gonna get it.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna hold the camera.
You're gonna hold the
You're
camera?
gonna hold it? Okay.
Okay, hopefully we're allowed to film in here. We'll find out.
We'll see you guys inside.
Yeah.
See you inside.
See you inside.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
3, 2, 1. Whoa.
All right, whatever you pick, here we go.
Pineapple.
All right, get it.
Get it.
Pineapple.
Nice.
Whoa.
Okay, what's next?
I like here.
Okay. Uh-oh. Pick that one up. Oh, dear. Here, you gotta put it inside the bag. That's good, that's good. Let's go.
Two more.
Get whatever you want. You want chicken? That's turkey. You can do turkey. Or do you want ground chicken? What do you want to do with ground chicken?
So everything he picks, he's got to eat it.
You want the cheese?
Okay.
Okay. Up and down.
Happy fries.
Whoa, nice. Okay.
We're buying a lot of stuff.
Well, you're picking it all.
Or
All right.
chocolate.
Vanilla.
Vanilla, okay.
Vanilla mini cone.
Nice. Okay. Whoa, you almost fell.
Yeah, wait.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Let's go.
Let's go.
What is that? Chips and a pickle. You gonna eat it? Okay.
It looks good.
Looks good. What is that one? Nice. Okay, we'll give that a try.
They have breakfast stuff, look at. Waffles, croissant, golden croissant, hash brown.
Put it.
So guys, you want waffles? Okay.
You want waffles? We could do waffles. You want it?
Keep frozen.
We'll keep it in the cooler when we go to the pool.
Okay, put it in then, if you want it. Okay.
Jimmy, I like.
Thank you.
Bye.
Great. Let's go, mister. Hang on tight. Ooh. Don't fall, don't fall. Don't fall, don't fall. I said don't fall. Oh, All right, so we're done finished. We're finished with the shopping. Now we're gonna head over to our friends and go swimming. All right. Oi. Okay, so we're heading over to our friends now. Done shopping. We have it all inside the cooler. We're gonna go have some fun. It'll be another pool day. So you guys will get to see Jordan doing some cannonballs. Are you ready for cannonballs?
Yes. We're going to the pool
What
now.
are you eating?
Bye-bye. Taking the camera, jumping in.
Okay. Jordan, what did you do at the pool today?
We swam.
You swam. You practiced diving.
Yeah.
You got really good at diving.
Mimi!
Whoa,
Mimi!
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Pool time was fun. Bye-bye.
All right, check it out. So this is all that Jordan picked. Well, there's a couple things that's not on here because we ended up just eating some of it. It was all those snacks. But he picked all this stuff, so we're gonna make dinner out of this. I don't know what we're gonna make. It's pretty much just frozen foods. So we'll figure something out. Probably air fry these, pan fry those, turn those into like patties or something. Maybe chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffles. So we make patties and then throw it on top of the waffles and have it with syrup. Ooh, and then throw some cheese on the mac and cheese balls and pan fry some gyoza, eat that with rice. And then for dessert we could have grapes and pineapple and of course the cones. But yeah, some of the snackies that we actually got, we ended up eating at the pool. Alright, so we ended up playing in the pool and we got hungry afterwards. So we actually ate the chips. We had the chips, the mochi crunch ones. So we got a little hungry. So we ate those. Instead of eating for dinner, we just ate those after the pool on the way home. For everything he picked, we're actually gonna do a mukbang for it. So make sure you guys go check out the Crunch Bros. See you guys then. Alright guys.
Alright, guys.
So that was it for the Trader Joe's video. So that was it, guys. Make sure you guys go check it out on the Crunch Bros. We just ate and now we're gonna go rollerblading with Jordan. Okay, let's see it. Nice. Alright guys, so Jordan's gonna go rollerblade. Oh, he just fell down. Alright, so that was it guys. We'll see you guys next time. We'll see you guys next time.
We'll see you guys next time.
Alright, come over here. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Alright, guys. See you next time.
Nice, I see your butt.